Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove grid lines in Excel graph or chart or cell. Open the Excel document. It is possible to remove only the lines from some cells. To do this, select the cells and from the fill color, select the white color. You will see that these cells will not have the grid lines. If you want to hide all the lines from the View menu, you must uncheck the box, Grid Lines. You will see that the entire sheet will no longer have them. You can activate this box again to see them again. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.